Have you ever wondered how your email filters spam or how Netflix recommends movies you might like? The answer lies in machine learning. This captivating field, nestled at the intersection of computer science and artificial intelligence, is all about teaching machines how to learn. It's not about manually programming them, but rather developing clever algorithms that can sift through mountains of data, unearthing patterns, and making predictions. Picture it as a detective, deciphering a complex crime scene with nothing but clues and patterns. The data is the crime scene, the algorithm is the detective, and the predictions are the conclusions drawn. These algorithms, once trained, transform into models that can predict the outcome of new data. For example, whether an incoming email is spam or not. So, it's not magic, but a blend of intricate algorithms and vast data. So how does machine learning work? Let's delve a little deeper. At its core, machine learning involves three key components: data, algorithms, and models. Let's start with data. Think of data as the fuel that powers the engine of machine learning. Massive datasets are fed into algorithms, and it's within these vast oceans of information that patterns and relationships are discovered. The more data we have, the better the machine can learn, much like how a child learns from experience. Next, we have algorithms. These aren't your everyday step-by-step recipes, but rather intricate processes that allow machines to learn from data. There's a wide variety of algorithms used in machine learning, each designed for specific tasks. For instance, classification algorithms categorize data into predefined groups, regression algorithms predict continuous outcomes, and clustering algorithms group data based on similarities. Once these algorithms are trained on data, they transform into what we call models. These models are like seasoned detectives, capable of making informed predictions or decisions without being explicitly programmed to perform the task. For example, a model trained on email data might be able to classify new emails as either spam or not spam, saving you from a cluttered inbox. Now, it's important to remember that machine learning isn't some sort of arcane wizardry. It might seem like these machines are thinking for themselves, but in reality, they're simply following complex algorithms created by clever human minds. Machine learning is akin to teaching a child how to ride a bike. You don't program the child with every possible scenario they might encounter. Instead, you give them the basic principles, guide them until they get the hang of it, and then let them learn from their own experiences. In essence, machine learning isn't magic. It's the art of teaching computers to learn from data. It's a field that's constantly evolving, driven by an ever-growing wealth of data and computational power, and it's changing the way we interact with the world around us. So, stay curious and keep exploring. Like any field, machine learning is diverse. It has several types, each with its strengths and weaknesses. Firstly, we have supervised learning, the most common type. Here, algorithms are trained on a labeled dataset, where both the input and the desired output are provided. This method is like a teacher-student relationship, where the algorithm learns from the provided examples. Then, there's unsupervised learning. It's a bit more independent, as it deals with unlabeled data. The algorithm is left to discover patterns and relationships within the data on its own. It's like giving a child a box of Legos without instructions, letting them create their own structure. Lastly, we have reinforcement learning, a method where an agent learns to behave in an environment by performing actions and seeing the results. Think of it as training a dog. It learns to follow commands based on the rewards or penalties it receives. With the ever-growing data and computational power, the field of machine learning continues to evolve. The applications of machine learning are vast, influencing various aspects of our lives. Just think about it: when you unlock your smartphone using your face or command your voice assistant to play your favorite song, you are interacting with machine learning. This technology powers image and speech recognition systems. It's the genius behind the facial recognition software that identifies you among billions of others, and the voice recognition that understands your commands, even with all the background noise. Then there are recommendation systems, the reason why your Netflix suggestions always seem to align with your taste. These systems use machine learning to analyze your behavior and preferences, then make accurate suggestions on what you might enjoy next. It's not just entertainment platforms like Netflix, even retail giants like Amazon use machine learning to suggest products that you're likely to buy. Machine learning also plays a crucial role in maintaining the security of our finances. Banks and financial institutions use machine learning for fraud detection, identifying suspicious activity before it becomes a problem. It's like having a vigilant guard who never sleeps, always watching over your transactions. In the healthcare sector, machine learning is making strides in medical diagnosis. By analyzing medical images and data, machine learning assists doctors in diagnosing and treating diseases. It's like an extra pair of expert eyes, helping to ensure nothing is missed. Finally, let's talk about natural language processing. This is the technology that powers chatbots, machine translation, and sentiment analysis. It's the reason why you can chat with a customer service bot at any time of the day, or why your social media feed seems to understand your mood. Machine learning is everywhere, subtly enhancing our day-to-day experiences. It's like a silent partner working tirelessly in the background, making our lives more convenient, safe, and entertaining. Intrigued about machine learning and want to learn more? Well, you're in luck. There's a wealth of resources out there to deepen your understanding of this fascinating field. Online platforms like Coursera, EDX, and Udacity offer a range of courses, from introductory to advanced, that can guide you through the intricacies of machine learning. Books, too, can be a great resource. Titles like Hands-on Machine Learning with Scikit-learn, Keras, and TensorFlow by Aurélien Geron, and Artificial Intelligence, A Modern Approach by Stuart Russell and Peter Norvig are popular choices. Blogs and articles are another excellent way to keep up to date with the latest developments and techniques. Websites like Towards Data Science and Machine Learning Mastery offer insightful articles and tutorials on a variety of machine learning topics. With the right resources, anyone can start their journey into the exciting world of machine learning.